In this episode, I'm going to talk about how do you become successful with your New Year's resolution. Stand by for more information about that. So this part of the year is when a lot of people think about New Year's resolutions, and it's a common thing. A lot of people give them and not really intend to keep them. But let's say you intend to keep your resolution. So a couple of things to think about. Often we try to limit our resolution a bit too much, so it becomes just a little part of our entire life. So it's easy to kind of let go of it because it doesn't fit to your whole life. So that's one part that is possible to think about. But the second thing is this. To come up with a resolution is easy, and often what we do is we try to go away from something. And think about that. When you try to go away from something, you often do it like this, thinking about, I will not eat that bad food anymore. I will not drink that beer anymore. I will stop smoking, which means that the only thing you're really concentrating on now is what you don't want. So here's a suggestion. This is a good tip actually for somebody who wants to express their way into their resolution and success. Think about and make a really big, vivid picture with smells and sounds and feelings around what do you want then? What is it that you want? Why are you going to stop smoking for? What's the reason for that? Why are you going to stop drinking beer or eat the right food? If you can picture that and make that really vivid, look at yourself from the outside, maybe look around what you look like, feel like, smell like, touch like, whatever that makes that picture rich for you. If you can create that, I can guarantee you that if you go back to that picture thinking about what you want, you will be much likely to be successful as opposed to thinking about what you don't want. So what do you want instead is the key question. Make it vivid, make it really come alive for you, and that's the key to success, to keep your New Year's resolutions come to life. So like and share this, please. Send me an email if you want to talk to me more about this, and Happy New Year. Thanks for listening.